Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name is Amanda and today we're going to be doing an advanced kick combination. We are going to break down this routine into 4 different sections and at the end we will try it with music. Okay guys, let's start with our first section. We are going to start kicking on our left foot. So we are going to stand on the left foot and we're just going to step to the side. From here, we are going to kick forward with the left, together, forward with the right, then we are going to kick to the side. We are going to tap it behind and we will kick back, and from here we will do a sailor shuffle. So we're going to cross that right foot behind, cross, side, replace. From here we're going to do a box step. We're going to do it with a kick ball change. So left foot is going to go kick, ball, change, and we're going to turn to our left, step, step, and again with our left kick ball change, kick ball change, turning to our left 2 steps, step, step. Okay guys, now with the counts. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay guys, let's do the second section. So we just finished our box step. We are going to kick again with our left, kick and together. From here, our right foot is going to kick across. So we're going to kick into the front left corner. From here, we're going to kick again with that right foot into the front right corner, and then again we're going to kick left and we're going to again kick to the right. From here we are going to tap our foot back and we are going to kick back. From here we are going to do another sailor shuffle. We're going to hold here and then we are going to do quick one, syncopated sailor shuffle. So we're going to go cross together side, cross together side, and the last one is going to tap behind, tap and side. Okay guys, now that second section with the counts. We just finished 8 with our right foot. We do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, hold 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Alrighty guys, we're gonna put that first and second section together with the counts. We have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Alrighty guys, we are going to do our third section now. It's going to be the same as our first section, but opposite side. So let's go through it. So we just finished on our left foot. We are going to kick with our right forward. Kick And now left one goes forward and side. We tap behind and we kick back and we go sailor shuffle. From here, we're going into that box with a kick ball change. Right foot kick ball changes. Kick ball change, step, step, and again with that right foot, kick ball change, step, step. Let's try that with counts. So we have 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay guys, last but not least, our fourth section. So we just finished to the side here. We're gonna kick forward with our right and collect our feet together. From here, our left foot is gonna go across to that right corner, across to the right corner. Now it's going to kick again across to that left corner. And then we kick again across to that right corner. And we kick again across to that left corner. We go behind, we kick back, we do a sailor shuffle, we hold for 2 counts, and we go into that syncopated sailor shuffle, cross together side, cross together side, tap behind with the right foot, and step to the side with the right foot. Okay guys, our last section with counts. We just finished 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, hold 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Okay guys, we're going to do the third and fourth section together with counts. So we just finished to the side on 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, hold 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Okay guys, we have all of our sections now. Let's put them together with the counts, and after we will do with slow music and then normal tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.